Hey, what's going on everyone? Welcome back to another video. So PlayStation Plus's new update has been out in my region for a couple weeks now, and with that update I find I'm trying new games left and right. And while that's always a wonderful thing, the problem is I'm legit always running out of space on my PlayStation 5 now. To overcome that issue, today I'll be showing you the easiest but one of the most impactful upgrades you can do yourself on your PS5 console. Today I'll be expanding the internal storage on my system with the officially licensed Western Digital Black SN850, which can be found below in the description. This is practically the same as the regular SN850, but if you're worried about third-party accessories affecting game performance or being a hazard to your system, this one being officially licensed is definitely for you, so let's get into it. Now the one I got is the 1TB model, which has a built-in heatsink. The heatsink allows the SSD to dissipate heat and maintain the super high read and write speeds needed to give you that wild PS5 load times. This SSD can read up to 7,000 megabytes per second and write up to 5,000 megabytes per second. Now, it's not that you can't use other SSDs, however, some might not fit perfectly, especially if you're not getting an SSD with a pre-installed heatsink. The PS5 SSD bay can house up to specific sizes shown here. This SSD is within those requirements, so let's get this installed. All you need is a mini screwdriver and about 15 minutes. First things first though is to make sure that you fully shut down your PS5 and unhook it once the LEDs have stopped flashing. Getting inside the system is super easy as well and user accessible. Simply remove your stand and the side plates without the PlayStation cutout. Do this by firmly but carefully prying upwards on the wing and sliding down, and it should pop right off. From there you simply need to remove the SSD cover and remove the screw inside as well as the spacer. Now inside the box, all you have is the SSD itself, which is actually way tinier than I thought it'd be. This specific one actually has a tiny LED light which can be customized if you install it on a PC. This also, as mentioned, has a heatsink pre-installed, although you can get a non-heatsink version and install your own if you're looking to save a couple bucks. To get this installed, simply insert the SSD in at an angle in your PlayStation 5 and you should feel the contacts sort of bump in. Once inserted, replace the spacer previously removed and screw the screw in. Close up the SSD cover and snap back on your plate and stand. Lastly, boot up your PlayStation 5 and allow your system to format the SSD for use. Now that it's installed, not only have I more than doubled my storage, the performance is actually almost identical to the internal SSD, which is absolutely incredible. Before installation, I did a load up time for Red Dead Redemption 2 and Horizon Forbidden West. One is a PS4 title, one's PS5. On the internal SSD, Red Dead Redemption 2 loaded in 38 seconds. After installation and transferring this game to the SSD, we're getting the same load times, give or take. For Horizon Forbidden West, on internal storage, it loaded in just under 9 seconds. After transferring to the SSD, it loaded in the same time, just under 9 seconds. And in terms of performance, there's no loss in load times, which is absolutely perfect. As well, if you're looking to transfer games or applications, it's also incredibly quick. These two games were just about 205 gigabytes, which transferred in just under 2.5 minutes. Overall, I'm beyond pleased with the SSD performance, and it's definitely one of the best upgrades you can do to your PS5 console, and it's legit so simple. With this, I have peace of mind knowing I have zero issues with space, and if I do need to download Paw Patrol for my kid, it's an absolute non-issue. After SSD installation, I was able to reinstall all the games I had previously deleted, and then some. PlayStation Plus's new update is absolutely incredible, which I'll be covering on the channel soon. If you're looking for this officially licensed SSD, I'll leave a link down below in the description. If you're looking for more PS5 content, check out my original unboxing and review here, or my latest video right here. Anyways, that's been it. Thanks again for watching. Till next time.